So it should come as no surprise that I like lightsabers. So when I saw an ad for MAZ sabers, which has their own custom saber hilt, I reached out and they sent me one to take a look at, which I'm really excited about. And they actually sent me 2 hilts and 2 saber blades to reflect the current deal they have going as of this recording. It's for $209 you get 2 lightsaber hilts and blades. It's the MAZ Premium Saber, and let me read you some of the other features. So there are 11 LED blade colors. You can connect 2 sabers for a double-bladed lightsaber without a coupler. There's of course flash on clash, which is really important if you want to, duel with lights and sounds. There are 6 sound fonts. There's a silent mode. It says there's a strong blade for heavy dueling, which is really interesting, especially if it's like a polycarbonate kind of material. There's a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And they advertise donating 2 meals with every order in partnership with Feeding America, which is pretty cool. Elsewhere on their website, they do have Star Wars character hilts. They do name them after the character, which I'm not really sure how they're getting away with that because those are trademarks. Maybe they're just flying under the radar right now. Even those hilt designs are intellectual property. You can kind of get away with it if you're saying that it's inspired by the Obi-Wan hilt or whatever, but more on that later. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, so we got 2 lightsabers here. Grab my trusty knife. Custom lightsaber. So one of these is their premium saber, and then the other one is like a freebie. So it's not. I'm not sure. I saw a picture of it. I don't think it's quite as detailed. Maybe I'm not really sure. We're gonna find out. Let's see which one this is. Okay, this looks like maybe an adhesive wrap to go around the hilt. Okay, we got a nice manual. We got a charging cable. Looks like a little 2-pin to USB. We got some hardware and some thumb screws. Okay, so this is the second lightsaber. This is the freebie one. I'm assuming aluminum. It has a nice weight to it. But if you look on the sides here, so some of those thumb screws, the screws that I was showing you just a second ago in the little plastic bag, those are what's going to hold the blade into place. And let's take a look at the blade itself. So there's the blade, wrapped in plastic, of course. Okay, so this actually unscrews. This is not one piece of aluminum. And there's our giant 3000 milliamp hour battery in there, removable actually. And you see you got a speaker right there on the bottom, and there's our circuit board. All right, I'm gonna plug this into the wall, get it charged up, and then we'll unbox the other one. Next. That actually looks really cool. Check that out. Let me take it out of the plastic so you can actually see it. So, if I'm not mistaken, these parts that make up these lightsabers are manufactured, they're milled in such a way that they're interchangeable. And so, someone like MAZ Sabers can put together something custom like this and make something really cool. Yeah, check that out. Some really nice mill work on that. Now the only thing I'm not a fan of is having that big 2-pin port right there where it's so obvious. It would be nice to have a little bit cleaner of a design, but I understand putting the big speaker in the bottom like that. I mean, there are only so many places you could put that, but overall I'm pretty happy with the look. Now we just got to get it charged up and check out the blade action. Now I will say when you first unpack these, the directions are a little bit confusing, but after messing around with it for a little while, you will be able to figure it out, be able to change the colors and the sound effects and that sort of thing. So unfortunately for the next part of this video, I don't have the camera's mic turned on, so you can't hear the sound effects, but it does look really cool in the dark. I will say a few things. the primary custom saber in this bundle, it doesn't work terribly well as far as flash on clash goes. It's not quite sensitive enough, but overall the sound effects work really well. They sound great. That big speaker in the bottom. I will say, there really isn't anything terribly unique about this saber. It is made in China. What you're really paying for here is MAZ Saber as a brand. They're US based and they ship quickly. They have great reviews. As far as durability goes, we did some tests. We didn't hit them as hard as we could, but we didn't really hold back either, and there wasn't any bending or flexing. They held up really well. But in any case, if you want to check them out for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.